What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a video showing that you don't need your OEM key fob to drive your vehicle with the CompuStar Pro T13 system installed. Now, when I shot this video, the remote was actually, my original remote, my OEM remote, was actually like 20 miles away, and I just remote started and then got in the vehicle and drived. So check out the video, let me know what you guys think. Why don't you guys give this a try and see if it actually works on your vehicle. If you have all the units I have installed on my vehicle and you don't have this ability, you might want to check with the installer because they may have it installed incorrectly. But make sure you check out the video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got more great content on the way. Go ahead and check out the video. What's going on, guys? Alex with RT Life here. Quick video regarding the CompuStar Pro T13. Now, some people are concerned that they have to have their OEM key fob in the vehicle even after they have the CompuStar Pro T13 system installed. Now, that's true to a degree. Only time you need your OEM key fob is to use your push to start. Now, you don't need your OEM key fob to stop the engine, but the only minor downside is you have to always use your CompuStar key fob to start your vehicle. So you have to remote start it every time, but that's really not a big deal to me. You don't have to worry about this really dying because you can just charge it through USB. But with me personally, I'm definitely not keeping my OEM fob in the vehicle at all times, even with a Faraday pouch. So that's the only downside. You actually do not need your OEM key fob. So again, once you install the CompuStar Pro T13 system, you don't need your OEM key fob, but you have to use this to start your vehicle. You have to use your remote start from your CompuStar every time you start your vehicle. So you'll just hold it down for 3 seconds, get a confirmation. You'll see your car there. It's started, and it'll flash. And then when you want to pull off, you'll just hit unlock. Now you're ready to roll. So if you want to use this to start your vehicle, you would actually need your OEM key fob in the vehicle when you start it. But with me, I rather just remote start it every time. Minor downside, but you know, it's just part of this, how the system works. So guys, if you have any questions, drop a question below. Give the video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next Alex's RT Life signing off.